Hello everybody and welcome to our Wednesday message. Can you see where I am in the school? Later in the message you'll see me disappearing to some different parts of the school that you might recognise as well. Today I want to think about the ways that we're all so different, the ways that we can cheer ourselves up when we're maybe feeling a bit down. It's great that we've all got so many different interests. Some of us like spending time with computers, some with art, some reading, lots of different ways that we like to cheer ourselves up. And I took a moment to think about all the different things that I can do to cheer myself up if I'm feeling a little bit down. Here are the things I thought about. One thing that always helps to cheer me up and make me feel a bit better is having a nice cup of tea. Of course at the moment it's a little bit harder because I'm fasting for Ramadan, so actually I'll be waiting till much later tonight before I can enjoy a cup of tea. This one will have to be for Mrs. O'Connell in the office. As an Arsenal fan, I'm not sure she'll like this mug, but never mind. If you're fasting with your family, we do wish you Ramadan Mubarak, and of course with Eid celebrations coming this weekend, we wish you Eid Mubarak as well. I'm sure there's a favourite drink or a snack or something to eat that often makes you feel a little bit better. I'm sure you're enjoying some of those things at home at the moment. So here I am in the school library, and you guessed it, one of the other things I like to do to cheer myself up sometimes is actually just take some time out to do some reading. That might be on my phone looking at the news, might actually be curling up with a book, and our library's got lots of great books. Sometimes I like reading a bit of non-fiction, maybe catching up with something from Star Wars, some of my favourite films, and other times it's actually getting stuck into a novel. Of course, Roald Dahl is a fantastic author, and I can really remember from when I was at junior school actually having Roald Dahl's James and the Giant Peach being read to us as a class, bit by bit, day by day. It's a story I've got really fond memories of. I hope you have got some books at home that you'll be able to read and go back to. Maybe it's a favourite story that you just keep reading and reading again. Or maybe you're finding out about new authors at the moment by listening to some of them online. Whatever you do, make sure that books are a place for you to go to explore new lands and try new places, even when you're stuck at home. And sometimes you just want to be outside and be a bit active. And of course, there's always music to cheer you up. So those were just some of the ways that I like to cheer myself up, and hopefully at home you're finding ways to keep yourself busy and keep yourselves feeling positive and smiley as well. Till we catch up again tomorrow, all our best from Oliver Goldsmith to all of you at home. Take care. Bye-bye.